Hello everyone, and welcome to part 19 of us playing the Citizen Run. Now I have $520, so I'm going to go to a money spot, which, nope, not that one.
It said Moe's or the DMV.
Right, the DMV, I think. Moe's, where's Moe's? I think he's on the other side of town.
No!
Shoot.
Two tracks.
There's some food. Moe's is I think Moe's is on this side. Yep, Moe's is on this side. I need to get out of the air of this circle. You got people. Watch the back door coming through. Oh my god, I love that horn. Nice. No, wait a second. This is downtown. I gotta go to the east side.
You're going east.
I love that horn. It's kind of
Yeah, so do I.
Woo! Everybody better get out of my way, cause this crazy horny coming through. Woo! He got through. Wow, 526. I just hope I don't get hit and run. That will waste more money, and I have to get more money. East side, you ready? Downtown is the wow! Do you have to do that?
I like it. No. What the heck were you thinking?
Let me try here.
I must finish quickly or...
Yeah.
I think this is a DMV.
I remember this place.
I see a clothes changer. Nope. There we go. American.
Can I see all the
Yahoo.
costumes?
Hey, Lynn. I'm recording right now.
Fine.
Now we gotta drive to the Krusty Burger shop. And that is way on the other side of the east side, so I gotta go. You got people, get out of my way. Love that horn so much, it's awesome.
To hurry up or my arranged bride will chastise me.
Get out of the way, people! Whoa!
Who put this here? It makes no sense.
Holy mackerel! Oh, so now they're... Oh, shoot!
It's not a real hit and run.
No, but it's like it's telling me I'm very close, so I better be stopping. It's telling me stop.
Past the... Almost to the line. Now
Look at your
300
new...
horses of convenient
Look at my what?
power.
Whatever, I just gained that utility from the area. Follow the police to find a criminal.
Hopefully my soul will not be robbed more than 4
Yes,
times while I'm
snake.
driving around today.
Let's do this. Okay, I need to follow the donut trail to find the chief.
Get in front of my car.
The chief went past the hospital? Why did he do that? Oh shoot, we need to hurry.
Donut.
He went this way. Over there.
Donut.
Woo! I always missed that one.
Yeah.
And it went zigzagging through the tunnel. Oh shoot, we need to hurry.
Donut. Don't.
Do you really have to keep saying go?
Good for my
See?
insurance.
I'm dying.
We need to hurry.
This is just
Out of the way, people!
Donut.
You need to keep saying donut. No.
You missed one.
Darn it. Candy, you really need to be saying donut. You missed one. I know.
Okay. But I might say donut. Get in my way.
to hurry.
Need to go.
Okay.
And they do not give you enough time. They do not give you a lot of
They
time.
only give you 1 minute.
A random object.
No, they don't even give you 1 minute. Ugh. Darn you.
So I have to follow the police.
Yes, I know. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm being rude. Sorry, guys. Sorry, Colonel.
The smell of fresh air is much more pleasing than the odor of the hot dog.
But, I'm being rude anyway.
I have ruined my plans for this.
Okay, I need to stop putting on the brakes.
What in the hell were you thinking?
I need to stop putting on the brakes.
Go!
Oh,
I
I get it?
said go again.
Oh,
This one again.
I know! You don't have to be saying that! Okay,
I'm going to say whatever I want to say.
Perhaps I should refrain from doing that in the future.
Stupid donuts going zigzag into the tunnel. Stupid cars all in my way. Shoot.
This is just between me and you, random object.
Oh my gosh! That is very hard.
Hey guys, I'm just going to stop it here. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.